Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on a very important and landmark judgment by Gujarat High Court in the case of VKC Footwear. Now what is this case? This is case on refund of inverted duty structure. Now what is inverted duty structure? Inverted duty structure is if your outward supply GST rate is less than your inputs, then there is a situation where you have got accumulated input tax credit, which you can claim as refund under section 54(3) of the CGST Act. Now in this particular case of VKC Footwear, where they sell footwears which is taxed at 5%, whereas their inputs like synthetic leather etc. are at the rate of 12% or 18%, including they have input services like job work charges and GTA services, which again is taxed at a higher rate. So they had a situation where they had a accumulated input tax credit and their output was less, so they had to claim the refund. Now as per section 54(3) of the CGST Act, it allows the refund of accumulated input tax credit, whereas the rule 89(5), which lays down the procedure to get the refund, allows you to claim the refund only of inputs and not input services. So this particular SSC taxpayer went to the court and challenged whether a rule can restrict the power or the right given by the Act. This is the same situation how a transitional credit 140 section rule was overridden by a rule. The same thing was the situation here also, and the rule actually restricted what the right gave by the Act, and the court gave a very positive judgment in favor of the SSC, and the court allowed the SSC and instructed the department to give refund of input services also. The logic being, originally when the GST was introduced, the whole purpose of the introduction of GST was the seamless flow of credit. That means the credit has to flow and the final consumer only can take the burden of the tax. A businessman per se has to just take the credit, push the credit to the customer. He should not bear the burden of the tax. The whole purpose of restricting this input services meant that the businessman was actually bearing that cost and was not able to transfer that cost to the consumer. So he had all the right to claim the refund of input services also, and kudos to Gujarat High Court for giving such a beautiful judgment. I think you should read the judgment. It has got very good points which court has actually taken out. Please read it. Thank you.